Exercise 36. The average concentration of a pollutant in parts per million, ppm, that remained in a sample of lake water during a study was measured at the beginning of each of 4 consecutive weeks, as shown in the table below. So at the end of the first week, we had 8.1, then 2.7, then 0.9, and then 0.3. Which of the following best models this data? It's quite often for you to be asked to decide between different types of models. The two common models that you will be brought up against is a linear model and an exponential. There is one huge characteristic that can help you decide whether it's going to be a linear or an exponential. In a linear, we have constant changes over same intervals. From 8.1 to 2.7, that was reduced by 5.4. But then that was reduced by 1.8. So obviously, I can see that it's not constant. So it cannot be a linear model. So this takes directly A and B out of my options. It has to be an exponential. How do I know it's an exponential? In an exponential, we have multiplications or divisions focused on the exact previous stage. Here, we can see that in order to go from 8.1 to 2.7, we divided by 3. Then, in order to go from 2.7 to 0.9, we once again divide by 3. Then, in order to go from 0.9 to 0.3, we once again divided by 3. So, we kept dividing. This means that it is an exponential model. And now, let's see exponential model where the average concentration increases as time increases. No, obviously not. We can see that it decreases, so it has to be D. Let's check. It's an exponential model. Yes, we saw why. Where the average concentration of the pollutant decreases. Yes, it decreases from 8.1 to 2.7 to 0.9 and so on. So the right answer for this question would have been clearly D.